Another week, another Manny Monday, and I've got something interesting to bring up. Greg from Generations Contract in there, he actually sent me a picture telling me that he was picking up his Naloxone, basically drug overdose kit. Workplace safety here in Ontario is now asking for. Me, I 1000% disagree with this. GC site supers are being asked to be responsible for somebody that may potentially have an opioid overdose. It's not our responsibility. First of all, as GCs, as site supers, as tradespeople, we're not supposed to let people that are intoxicated, doing weed, all kinds of drugs on site, working, and possibly putting co-workers, other tradespeople in danger or situations in danger. But now you're asking us to have a kit to help them if they have a drug overdose because they become addicted to this drug. And by the way, this kit only works on opioids. It doesn't work on morphine, heroin, Oxycontin, fentanyl, codeine. It doesn't work on any of that shit. Why the fuck is it our responsibility now? In my years of constructing, not once did I ever had a tradesperson come on my site. I suspected they were on drugs. If I would have smelled weed, I would have sent them away. If I would have known that they're intoxicated with alcohol, I would have sent them away. They're not allowed on my site. Why the fuck is the government asking us to babysit the tradespeople if they do have something? This is a slippery slope. This is as of June of last year. But if you go to their website, they tell you that it only works on opioids. That's it. It doesn't work on any other drug. It also states that there won't be any liability to you as a GC, which you know is total fucking horseshit. The moment that you administrate this and something does happen, cause and effect for whatever reason, that person or that person's family will attack you legally. Why the fuck are we doing this? Tradespeople should show up on a job site completely sober, not addicted to drugs. Our government is a shithole now. They're purposely doing this to have people be addicted to shit. So now we're supposed to babysit them on a construction site? There should be a zero tolerance on the job site. Nothing. If you slightly show any signs that you are on drugs, you are sent home. Period. Man, I miss the good old days. I truly miss the good old days. I will never allow anybody on a job site of mine that I suspect is taking drugs, even as simple as weed. And I know on the site, it actually says that not all companies have to have this kit on site, which is total fucking horse shit. Get rid of this bullshit. I'm done with this crap.